Okay. So good morning, students. How are you today? Peace be upon you.
Peace be upon you, ma'am. Fine.
So today, welcome to our biology class. Today we are going to take class in a very interesting way, in a very new way also. And this will obviously have a new experience for you all. So we'll just continue with the topics. We'll continue with our chapters that we've been doing. So we've started with tissues. We learned the difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. Why there is difference in tissues in plants and animals even when the cells are the same. We learned that in last class. Now we'll go into the types of meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues, once again I'll just present the screen. Our meristematic tissues, depending on the position, there are three types, that is apical meristem, intercalary meristem, lateral meristem. There are three meristematic tissues. Once again, we have apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. I want you all to read, just quickly read the next slide. Okay? Just quickly read the next slide. Okay? So we have meristematic tissues are of three types. We just said that apical, lateral, and intercalary. Okay? Now detailedly I'll explain this with a very interesting app, that is a tutor app. You can see how interestingly the picture comes into the screen. Okay, so here we have the meristematic tissues. Okay, here we can clearly, I can explain to you all what is the meristematic tissues. So now we have the meristematic tissue here, which shows the different meristematic. So first we have the apical meristematic, we have the intercalary meristematic, and at the bottom we have the lateral meristematic. Okay, so we were talking about apical meristematic, which is present at the top, and this apical meristematic is also present at the bottom. Okay, it's present in both the parts, so it helps in, as Nihal said, it helps in increasing the size. Then we have the lateral meristem, which is present, which increases the width of the plant. It helps in increasing the width of the plant. Otherwise we would get, as I said, we would get plants only as long ones and not in thickness. Then we have the intercalary meristem. The intercalary meristem is present in the nodes. When I say nodes, it is present in the corners of where new branches arises, new flowers, new fruits, and new vegetables, or whatever we want, something that new or new buds. That is where intercalary is present. So these are the three types of meristematic tissues: apical, intercalary, and lateral. I hope it is clear to all the students. This image, I can rotate it also so you can see all the sides of it. Okay. I can make it a little bigger so that I can give it you a clear picture. So this width is called as the lateral meristem. Then we have the intercalary, which helps in from new nodes and internodes, and then we have the apical meristem that is present at the tips. We have shoot apic and root apical. Okay, so this is, now I got you a meristematic tissue into my class so that I could give you a clear image of what these meristematic tissues were. Is it clear to the students? If you were with me, I could have actually showed you with the plant, but now I can't because you're not there with me. But this is a method where I could show you this particular plant and make it really clear for you all. Okay, now we have experienced a new type of class today. I would want to ask you all, how was it? Could you please share your experience? Yes, Raiz. Farhan. Anybody?
നല്ല ക്ലാസ് ആയിരുന്നു മാം, കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
Nice. What difference? What difference did you feel, like ordinary Google Meet classes and this? If we get all the videos,
ഗൂഗിൾ റെഡിയാകുന്നൊക്കെ പിന്നെ ലാബ് കുറച്ച് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഉണ്ട്.
actually when you're doing to biology, we have less of working models, but when it comes to physics and chemistry, we have a lot of working models also. So when it comes to liver, water cycles and all that, it's going to be really, really interesting. You have a more life-on experiences when you see these apps. Okay, so then we can wind up. Thank you so much for being with me.